Here is LemFi app, previously Lemonade Finance. So you can just tap get and double click to install. You'll be able to install the app. LemFi app is a preferred international payment app for everyone. Send and receive money from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Europe, and the UK. LemFi is currently available to users in UK, US, Canada, and coming soon to Europe this quarter. Send and receive money. Experience seamless and instant money transfers with our send and receive money feature. Whether you're sending funds to loved ones or receiving money from around the world, our platform ensures quick and secure transactions, zero fees for life, hold and exchange money in different currencies, peer-to-peer transfers, refer a friend and earn money. So yeah, that's the idea. Then you can just open it up. You can allow to track, you can allow notifications. And then yeah, you can just have international payments for everyone. If you want, you can just create an account, enter a phone number. It's possible to select any country, and then from here you can continue. Also get help in the top right, where you can just call them. I don't know how legit is this app. It doesn't have that many ratings. It's just under 500 ratings. Average rating is quite low, and there are some suspicious ratings. So if you have something like awesome product and fantastic support, and then literally the next review is like horrible app, then maybe it's like they're also using some fake comments. So yeah, just be careful. There are a lot of these finance apps these days, so that's that.